So guys, this is ReTV X1 with having these following specifications, as you can see over here. Having product ReTV 4K video streaming device with a capacity of 8 GB internal storage, and the device contains ReTV X1 device, ReTV remote, HDMI cable and one power adapter, RC cable and 2 AA batteries. Guide. Here the price is 4,999, but due to sale offer I got this in 3,098 rupees. Remote with motion sensor, 8 GB onboard storage, from which I think we will get 6 GB, and it also streams 4K Ultra HD video which having decoding of 2.65. Wow, HDMI support and composite video, Bluetooth, yeah, this thing has also Bluetooth, Ethernet port, dual band Wi-Fi. So let's see this thing. I think we have board 2 USB slots and 1 micro SD support, and Android 5.1, that is Marshmallow. This thing was also included in it. Having 150 of web channels, unlimited movies and TV shows. So you can use a big torrent also with kids content, Indian and international content for everyone. So let's unbox it. Here you can say by referring your friends you can get. Yeah, let's unbox it. Let me cut down the box over. Yeah. Yeah, you can see in this we have the first device itself, having one USB device, second, and one micro SD which is support I think at least 32 GB, and here is one internal connection port and one audio jack and one HDMI port which is able to sync audio as well as video in your smart TV or LED TV. Here is an input supply which has I think about and here is an antenna. So this is the grip support, so it can place over like this, so can't move easily, and having the ventilation to keep this device cool. And here is the receiver. So let's keep this device aside and see what else we get in the box. First we get a ReTV getting started manual, which I think we don't need. Let's get this thing on that side. And here we get a remote itself. So this is the remote itself. Yeah, it's a very simple and very lightweight, having a one power button over here, volume minus, volume plus, rotation and navigations button, back option, home button, and yeah, this is the function, so we can use it as a cursor or no cursor. Here is a messaging mode, which I think is a favorite. So I think this thing have a microphone also embedded, so we can use audio input also. So this is the receiver which we can use to control this remote by this TV. This thing goes here. Yeah. So we can sync the remote and we can power it on. Let's keep this thing aside. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Here is audio jack which we can use to, and here is the HDMI cable, and the HDMI cable quality looks so good. You can see both the ends are same, so we can put one end in the ReTV box and second one in the TV. This is a and finally here we got the power adapter, and the power adapter have a rating of 0.3 ampere, that is 5 volt 2 amp. You can see there 5 volt 2 amp, having a surge protection to protect the overclock. So